Hey crafty friends, it's Alyssa with Crafting to Cope, and I'm on today with a mystery box from Graphic 45. So these actually came out a little while ago. I ordered mine from a scrapbooking store that is almost 2 hours away from my house. So I don't have a lot of like independent scrapbooking stores close to where I live, but I did order it, and then she forgot to tell me when it came in. There was a little bit of a delay, and then I had to find time to get there. So today I went on a crafty car ride all by myself, and I went to two little scrapbooking stores and stopped at some Dollar Generals and enjoyed the fall leaves. It was a beautiful day. My husband and boys were out of town, so it was perfect. I got myself a coffee and had a great time. And so I'm a little late to the game with the Graphic 45, but I couldn't wait any longer. I wanted to open it up and see what is inside. So I thought I'd do a video and we could look together. So it comes in this really nice box. I have not opened it yet, so we're gonna do that together real quick if I can do it without cutting myself. There we go. And so this is a very nice box. I think I will keep it, store some paper in it, and we're gonna just take out what's inside and see what kind of goodies I got. All right, so knocking everything off with this big old box. So I dropped my glue press. Hold on a second. I hit it with the side of the box and I need to put that back or my glue will dry out. All right, so it looks like there is a lot of fun stuff in here. I see some bright colors, which is great. So the first thing is this stamp set. So it is Flower Market Collection, and this is just gorgeous. I love this. Would make such a cute tag. And then there's flowers and butterflies, and then there's numbers up here. That is so cute. So I love that. So this is what it looks like on the back. So far I'm happy. This is going to make such a cute tag. All right. And then this is an 8x8 paper pack. So this is Cafe Persian or Parisian collection. Let's see what this looks like. Ooh, I love these colors. So it looks like there's two of each. So there's that. Let me make sure. My hands are a little cold. It's a little chilly outside. So these cute little desserts. And I love that color. Some little cafe menus. And oh, they're so cute. And then these cherries. I just love the colors. They're so cute. This will make such a fun journal. More little desserts. I love the blues and the teals with the pinks. It's just so pretty. So I'm definitely happy with this. I love Graphic 45. I mean, it's a little more expensive, but it is good quality paper and it is so pretty. These are little butterflies. I love the little umbrellas. And then these cute little cut aparts. So this looks similar to the stamp set. So this will go so good with that stamp set. That's so pretty. Yes, I really like that one. So they say, I think this box was $45 and it's supposed to be over $100 worth of merchandise, which Graphic 45, like I said, is not the cheapest. So this is Make a Splash. So this looks like really pretty, like mermaid paper. I'm loving the purples. I don't know what it is. I've told you guys, like I'm really big into the purples lately. Like look at that gorgeous paper with the greens and the purples. And then like pearls. That's so pretty. Looks like there's 3 of these. And then the pretty like seaweed. That's so gorgeous. I love the purples and the greens. And look at these little cut aparts. Make a Splash, Born to be a Mermaid. Oh my goodness, they're so pretty. And then the back, it's seahorses and little mermaids. More purples. It's just gorgeous. And I probably wouldn't normally buy mermaid paper, but I kind of like to get mystery boxes because they take me out of my comfort zone and then force me to kind of craft with things that I wouldn't normally buy. And I like that because I do like this paper, but I would probably walk right by it and be like, no, I'm not going to do mermaids. But now that I have it, I'm just trying to think of all the fun things that I can do with it. I love that, like the fish scale, like mermaid scales. And then the cut aparts. And then on the back it's blue. And like you can even cut these out on the fronts. Like I don't waste anything. It's a little shiny, but it would still look cute. You know, like you could use it as a background, like if you were to make tags or something. So just something to keep in mind if you have like cover sheets. You know, I'll put this one away later. And then this is Flower Market. And this has pretty blues, pinks, and greens. So let's see what this looks like. So this Flower Market set goes with the stamp set, which was Flower Market. So again, like you could totally use this sheet to make pretty tags. It's nice and sturdy. So there's sheets of green with the different colors on the back, or different designs on the back. So 2 of those, and then 2 with this beautiful like floral with butterflies. That is just gorgeous. And then like these purples and like the solid purples and greens would go really good with even like the mermaid. It would match it really good. So you could use it with that as well. So, but then the side obviously isn't mermaid theme. So this one has butterflies, and then this has, again, that pretty butterfly and floral, and then solids. So pretty. And then this like pinkish peach color. Again, it has this, you know, kind of almost solid, and then cute little flowers on that side. This one's a little bit darker, and then it has that same print on this side. So it's almost like there's 2 of each. This one has stripes. So these solids and designs will come in real handy. I'm going to put that away after so you don't have to listen to the ruffling of it. So this is Flight of Fancy rub-on transfer sets. Look at how pretty that is. I love that hummingbird. I get hummingbirds at my house. I just love to watch them and the pretty flowers. So it comes with these 2 sheets. So pretty. And then these rub-on transfers, it's Grow with Love. And look at all those cute spring rub-on transfers. It looks like I got 2 of these. I wonder if that was on purpose. And again, it has all of these cute rub-on transfers. I love rub-on transfers. You can use them in so many different things. And then I got the Grow with Love chipboard. So it goes with this really well. They're exactly the same. So just the fun chipboard pieces. Oh, there's some on the back too. Look at that. These look like stickers. Are they stickers or chipboard? Chipboard sticker set. So all of these. And then we have Flight of Fancy, the chipboard tags and frames. So this goes with this set of rub-on transfers. And look at all of those cute, like there's that fun hummingbird and that beautiful butterfly. And it's a lot of like bright blues, pinks, and purples. And then I got the chipboard stickers that go with the rub-ons as well. So the Flight of Fancy. Fun. And then these chipboard elements go with the 6 or the 8, what's that, 8x8 paper pad that I first showed. So these are so cute. All the little sweet treats and the flowers. And then it looks like I got the 12 by 12 mermaid packet, which looks like it's the same papers as the pads. You can see them down here. It's the same papers as the pad, but then it comes with the sticker sheet, which is just gorgeous. So it looks like I got 3 collections. And then I got the Flight of Fancy paper. So we'll look at this because I didn't get any other Flight of Fancy paper. This one's extra sticky. So there's 2, these beautiful butterflies, and then that solid color. This looks more like almost like a melon color, this fun design. And then solid. Beautiful orange with words like color and joy and the hummingbirds soar. Oh, I love it. And then this fun stripe, and then solid, and then this bright blue, and it looks like little flowers, and then solid. Beautiful butterflies, and then solid. So there's a lot of the repeating, like this was in the orange color as well, and then purple, and then this beautiful, like, look at, there's the hummingbird, and then there's flowers in there, and purple. I love that. And then I also got the 12 by 12 paper pack for that, the first pad that I showed, or the first 8 by 8 paper pack, the Cafe Parisian collection. And then it comes with this full-size sheet in here. So does this one have sticker elements in it, or is it just paper? Includes 2 sheets of all 12 by, yeah, so this one just comes with the paper, not a sticker sheet. So I love it. So it's the same designs as the ones we flipped through at the beginning, just kind of larger. That is so pretty. Yes, I definitely think I got my money's worth out of this box. I got some things. I think I would have probably bought this one had I have seen it in the store. Again, I don't get to go to many scrapbooking stores, so I don't often see new things, but I did spend some time at a paper crafting store, 2 paper crafting stores today. And besides this box, I do have some hauls of different collections, and I did pick up some things for collections I already had, and then I found some new things. So I did spend my allowance for paper today for sure. I also, you know, have been trying to get stock up on some Christmas things and stuff like that. So again, it looks like if I were to separate these all out, there are a bunch of different collections here, like 3 different collections that I have, which I just think is such a great deal. So thank you so much for stopping by, everyone. If ever you're in the market for Graphic 45 mystery boxes, I will purchase them again. I think that there was 2 different ones that came out. I think I got box number 1. I think next time I might actually order 2 so I could get 2 different boxes. But thank you so much for stopping by today. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye, everyone.